Why isn't it working? Hold on. Hold on, I'm trying. There it is. I now have concrete video evidence that it does this stupid thing where I ready up and it's like, it doesn't ready up. So, yeah. Dude, I have this like really great... You guys, fuck you! I have this really great idea, okay? Listen to me. For these video titles, I'm gonna pick a quote out of random that I think is hilarious out of this gameplay, and that's gonna be the title. For example, if I scream, "Not my butt," that'll be the title.
And then once you scream that, I'm gonna scream, "Not my balls."
Oh no! Not my butt, comma, not my balls.
You're officially a YouTuber, bird.
Oh man. Alright, we're gonna win.
So it says you. There's a whole team like right below us.
Really?
There's just one guy. Where's the rest of the team?
Let's go fuck him up.
He's at the other place. We all landed here in the swamp.
Alright. I got a EVA 8. And a knockdown shield.
The best shotgun in the game. What's up, Piss?
I don't care if there's a kill leader. I'm the champ.
Ah! Fuck me! Fuck me! Okay. Okay. Help.
Alright, mark him.
I don't know. Right there, maybe? I don't know.
You don't even know? Oh.
I just got shot at. I don't know where it's from.
They're below you.
Great.
Are they still below bird?
Yeah, they're still in that general area.
Oh, well now I'm here. I feel scared.
They're...
Well, that went well.
Okay.
23 damage.
We started.
I did my best. Can I get a yeah?
Loading screens are
Oh yeah.
so lonely.
Did you... We can always go straight down and fight those guys.
Oh, you mean the guys I'm flying straight at?
Yep, those guys.
Oh, look, I got a whole bunch of purple standard stocks and a grenade. Maybe I can
Great.
equip them and make something amazing.
Probably not, knowing you.
I don't know. Have you ever
There's a guy.
tried? Got a grenade, don't worry.
There's a guy!
Oh, that makes
Got a
me,
grenade, don't worry. I have no guns. I'm
Oh, I got him! There's another one!
Shuriken!
I have no guns.
Okay, I got him too! Oh gosh, there's more. I'm about to die.
I'm running up. I'm gonna punch him.
Oh, get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Shoot him, bird! Yay!
Wait, what happened to...
Punched
What
him
happened
to
to you?
death.
Are you good?
Oh, I got shot. I killed 2 people, but I got
I punched him to death. I get a hemlock burst in each turn. That's.
Alright, is that 3? Are we good?
Yeah, I punched the last person to death.
Thank God.
Oh my gosh, you scared the poop out of me.
Well, I really hope you clean your pants.
Should we wait before we go out there, or should
Heck no, we just smack them in the face. Pull your dong out and rest it on their forehead, man. It's the way to do it.
So,
that would be immoral?
Yes.
my character's of the female persuasion.
Is that someone else's care package? Is that?
Nah, it's random.
Ooh, doctor. I'm taking it.
What was it?
Mastiff.
I see. That's how
What
it
kind of
is.
ammo is this? It's yellow.
You can't pick up ammo for it. That's the amount you get for the whole game.
Sweet, I'm about to one-shot everyone. Thank goodness.
We're in the circle, right?
Yeah, we've been in the circle. We landed in the circle. We became one with the circle. We are the circle. Remember that. Kia!
I missed out on so much. I never realized how helpful headphones are.
Yeah, dude. They're kind of awesome. Why do you think we always lose, Elias? It's because you can't hear. You're deaf.
I don't know if that's the reason why people lose.
Are you trying to, suggest something,
Hey, that's
Caleb?
why I heard that.
No suggestions. No suggestions at all of that statement.
We're going the distance, brother. We're going for speed. Going for it. If I die, I die. Oh, Elias, there's one right here! Oh no, I'm dead.
I couldn't. I had to reload.
Are y'all dead?
Don't go up there.
Who's dead?
So what do I do?
Well, you know, I have no clue what you should do, but I feel like either way.
Elias, believe in yourself.
Okay.
Because you're getting shot.
Oh yeah.
He's on your right. On your right. On your right! Oh no!
That was behind me.
How did I get no kills? I just told my girlfriend I love meat, winky face.
Love meat.
I love meat with winky face.
I'm a vegetarian.
Well, that won't stop me, man.
Oh gosh. I feel like with my nice 26 rank, I would have a lot more kills.
Oh yeah, but you suck, so.
Well, getting to that point. Thanks for speeding it up.
Alright, let's go for the dome, bro. Alright.
I was like, I can make this. This isn't gonna be too bad. And then I hit the edge of the mountain.
Wow.
Start sprinting.
Hmm.
I'm so glad you're spotting these hostiles.
Wait, where are you going?
You know, I could have engaged, but I didn't know if he had, like, a friend. And I wasn't about to mess with all
I
that.
got a sniper.
Well, you're not next to me, are you?
See footprints?
Wait, behind you, behind you.
Mother of pearl.
He's in front of me.
Okay.
Alright, we'll sandwich him.
I'm sandwiching him. There he is. He's coming up to Caleb.
I think his teammate might be the one that was going ahead.
Where?
I don't know, but I'm gonna be this guy who uses the finish.
The guy's up here on this hill. I'm right next to him.
What is going? Caleb behind us! Oh my god!
Got him.
What was he using? Hey, I'm gonna call it away. He's over here.
Got him.
I found a stinted light mag, purple.
Oh, if I wasn't, like, booking it, man, I'd take it.
Well, I kind of, yeah.
Fuck it, I'm gonna go for it. It's not that bad.
Yeah, I'm already in the storm. Doesn't even matter at this point.
I wonder what I'm shooting myself with because I'm a robot.
Like, I feel like the robot, like, should have, like, a blowtorch or something for his syringe. Soldering iron, you know?
Yeah,
Maybe some
something.
magnet or something.
A magnet.
He has
Wow,
a loose
okay.
screw that he has to get out. You ever, like, had a screw drop in something, you had to use a magnet, like, carefully maneuver the screw out?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I don't think too much about that. I'm gonna reuse my old Fortnite techniques, you know, hide in a bush.
Except in Fortnite, you are the bush.
Oh, true.
Oh, they're all in that building. You wanna go fuck them up?
Oh, yeah.
Good job.
We're the last two squads. We should go now, right?
Oh shoot! Never realized. I thought
Before they heal, right? You wanna shoot the grapple down? Or should we just move, like now?
That's our answer. Going in.
Oh, I see him.
Where?
In the
Mark.
tunnel.
Oh, it's Wraith.
Whoa!
Mother. Oh.
Tossing a frag.
She has the freaking mastiff. Up.
Caleb, crawl to me for my shield.
Oh, God.
I got one.
I'm in the
All right.
shield.
Oh frick!
Hey, fellas.
No boy, no. Cover me, bird.
Oh, you're being shot. Watch out.
No.
Oh, no! Why was I shooting
I said to cover me.
at you? I tried, and then I freaked out. I panicked. Oh,
How did that
no.
guy up so fast?
She just jumped right in there and she just stuck her fist right in my ass. And I was like, oh. We're trash. We're so bad at this game. Skulltown or Thunderdome?
Thunderdome.
Send it, brother! Oh, shucks. There's somebody. There's a second person.
Oh, there's
All right.
a whole two teams.
Oh shoot! That's not good. I just landed it.
Oh, shit!
I got a helmet.
I'm gonna die.
Shit! He was a mirage! I hate his guts. I'm so salty. I can't believe I did that. That was so stupid. Caleb, you're the only one left. You're about to die, but it's okay.
Shush. Fine. Fine.
Oh shit. I think they see you.
Don't worry about it.
He's dropping you in fire.
I feel like I should go like recover his, but I guess
You can do it after you respawn me. You got 39 seconds. Alright, it's like I just started a new game because I had nothing to begin with.
okay.
But death.
Okay, we're doing great. Amazing start.
Amazing start. Well, I got a purple helmet, some heavy ammo, and no weapon. Oh shit, I'm out. Bye.
Oh.
Later, bitch!
Save him, bird! Save him!
With what?
Just run. It doesn't matter.
I'm out, dude. You don't have to tell me twice. I'm gone.
Oh god! Oh god!
Oh no!
Slide. There's not a single weapon! What the fuck is this?
I don't know, but I'm leaving. I'm running. I'm taking this armor real quick so I can take a
Here we go.
shots. I'm sprinting.
Oh, great.
Sprinting. Going in here, grabbing this even better armor. There's a Havoc. Here you go.
No, I've already got a hemlock. You know what? I'd rather have a Havoc than a Mozambique, so I'll take it.
This sounds pretty logical. Don't worry, Leash. We're gonna bring you back. It's just a matter of seconds.
Eventually.
Can't get any more dead. There's that dead though.
Yeah.
Okay, rescue mission was a success.
You've only done half
I'm
the
gonna zip
job. You've only done half the job.
Stop complaining.
That's what I'm saying.
You're right. I could be completely dead. I'm not completely dead yet.
I'm gonna zip line down that thing.
Just a little iPhone right now is all I am. That is my existence.
Wait, can I deliver his beacon, or,
Yeah, you can.
Oh,
Either
okay.
one of us can, so,
Sweet,
you
I'm
want to,
doing it.
go ahead.
I'm coming back!
Alright, we're gonna win. This is our game.
Yeah, after such a struggle at the start, we should be, like, great. Once we survive that terrible beginning,
Yeah.
we should be, like, doubly strong now.
That's the way of the game's code. If you can survive the initial whoop-ass, then you instantly get, like, a damage increase by 3 times.
Oh, enemies.
Oh, shit. Wait, where?
Was that
Mark
you?
them.
I don't know where they are. I just saw that crap fly at my door.
I thought that was you who threw that.
Well, it was not me.
Wait.
It was not inside. That was outside the door. Where are you?
Oh shoot! I got shot from somewhere.
Where
Far
are you?
away. They're up there. They're up top.
Okay, Oh, shucks.
Well, we could totally like try to fight them, or we could just leave. Motherfucker, he's on the roof.
He's down. Grenade! Shit!
Oh, I can't see squat. Alright.
Oh, fuck. I couldn't do anything. I didn't even see my killer.
Bombardment happened.